Here we are doing this inspection. We're looking at this propane hot water heater, and as we look here on the exhaust, we see there is no inducer fan installed on the exhaust pipe. All these heaters have to have a fan force the carbon monoxide to the outside. We can see daylight around the exhaust pipe as it leaves the house. It's not properly caulked. We have down here, we have no shutoff valve for the propane line, and we have no drip leg. All these joints are loosely taped. Tape is not secure on them. There is a little bit of rust right there on the exhaust pipe. Here's the exhaust pipe on the outside. Okay, looks like they used a piece of dryer aluminum vent here and attached it to the original hot water heater vent